We've done so many wheel unboxings in this vlog now that it's not that often that we come across a wheel design from Vossen we haven't done yet. But today, we actually have a new wheel here. It's time for an unboxing. Vossen HF6-4. Probably have seen a very similar spoke design, which is the HF5, but this is a 6-spoke version, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for trucks, and as you can see, there's 6 lugs. 22 by 9.5, tinted gloss black finish. In the camera right now that I'm looking at it, it looks like this is silver. In reality, this is more like a dark gunmetal color. I think the camera just makes it a little bit lighter. I'm always a big fan of 6-spoke wheels for trucks and like for Jeeps, and it's very open, so it has more of a track-oriented feel to it, even though it's a truck. So these are again the new HF6-4s that I unboxed it now. How is it gonna look? Ooh, on a silver truck? This is gonna be nice. Vossen HF6-4 on a single cab F-150, definitely a first for us. The silver looks really good with the finish on the wheels. Tinted gloss black, 22 by 9.5. We added these red caliper covers and they kind of pop out a lot more now, especially since the wheels are so open. You see them a lot more, so it's a cool little setup. Overall, it has a really cool street truck vibe to the whole thing.